The current version of BimlStudio is available to download from the Virgin's homepage. The download link is also provided in the BimlFlex trial and license information email. Run the installer file to install BimlStudio on your Windows PC. The installer requires administrator privileges. The installer has the option of installing either 32 or 64-bit versions of the application. In this case, we'll install both versions so that we can choose which version to run later. The version to use depends on the Windows installation as well as the installed SSI's versions. Once the installation is completed successfully, it is possible to start the application. The first time the application is started, it'll ask for an activation. Click on the I already have a product key option and paste your supplied product key into the field. BimlStudio will validate the key. Once validated, click Continue and BimlStudio will start normally.